173 species in genus Annona. December 18th, Annona, the cherimoya, represents December 18th. Annona symbolizes sweetness and abundance. You bring joy and richness into the lives of others with your generosity. Like its exotic fruit, your presence is a rare and delightful gift. A deep dive into the delightful world of Annona. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always fascinated by the sheer diversity of the botanical world. One genus that continually captures my attention is Annona, a group of flowering plants belonging to the Annonaceae family. This family is also known as the custard apple family, and for good reason. Many Annona species produce delicious, fleshy fruits with a creamy texture, reminiscent of custard. The allure of Annona. What is it about Annona that I find so captivating? Perhaps it's the unique shapes and textures of their fruits, ranging from the heart-shaped soursop with its spiky exterior to the bumpy, segmented sugar apple. Or maybe it's the subtle, sweet fragrance that emanates from their flowers, attracting pollinators with their promise of nectar. Whatever the reason, I'm always eager to learn more about these fascinating plants. A tropical treasure trove. Annona is primarily a tropical genus, with most species originating in the neotropics, Central and South America, and Afrotropical, Africa, regions. These plants thrive in warm climates with ample sunshine and humidity. While they prefer tropical environments, some species can tolerate slightly cooler conditions. Distinctive characteristics. Annona species are typically evergreen or semi-deciduous trees or shrubs. They possess simple, alternate leaves and solitary flowers with 3 sepals and 6 petals. The flowers are often greenish-yellow and possess a fleshy texture. One intriguing aspect of Annona flowers is that the male and female parts mature at different times, a mechanism that promotes cross-pollination. But it's the fruit that truly distinguishes Annona. These aggregate fruits develop from a single flower with multiple ovaries. The result is a fruit composed of numerous individual segments, often fused together. The flesh of the fruit is typically soft, creamy, and sweet, with a flavor that varies depending on the species. A bounty of species. The genus Annona is quite diverse, encompassing over 160 recognized species. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Beyond the fruit. While Annona is primarily cultivated for its edible fruits, the genus also has other uses. Some species are utilized in traditional medicine for their purported health benefits. For instance, extracts from the leaves and bark of the soursop tree have been used to treat a variety of ailments, although scientific research on their efficacy is ongoing. Furthermore, certain Annona species possess insecticidal properties. Compounds extracted from these plants have shown potential for use in natural pest control methods, offering a more environmentally friendly alternative to synthetic pesticides. Cultivating curiosity. My fascination with Annona continues to grow as I delve deeper into its botanical intricacies and cultural significance. From the diverse array of fruit flavors to the potential medicinal and insecticidal applications, this genus offers a wealth of exploration. Whether I'm savoring the sweet taste of a fresh sugar apple or admiring the intricate structure of an Annona flower, I'm reminded of the endless wonders of the plant kingdom.